Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Green Oaks, local and long-distance movers near me. Our team will offer you the services you need to get the right type of move for you, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Our professional movers can help you with the relocation. No matter why you need to move or how quickly it needs to happen, we can help. If you need to move 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or even 2,000 miles away, we're here to help you. A local move can gain many benefits from an Illinois moving company. You won't have to recruit a friend or family to help you with your professional moves. In addition, the right moving company can make the process happen faster. Your things will likely be better protected throughout the move, too. With 3 Movers, you get many benefits. You'll save time and energy on your local move. Our team will help get you there faster, no matter how large the move is or how far you need to go. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Green Oaks moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form. Pack